money, Peyton? Okay, she means business.
Yeah, there you go. Pocket strategy. All right, ready?
Okay, how much do you think she's gonna get?
$3.
$3?
$3.
$20.
20? What do you think? 5? 5? Okay, let's go, Peyton. I mean, I count 3.
Is she dropping them?
No, put it in her pockets. I love it.
Oh, it's coming out of your pocket! You're losing it out of your pocket!
5 seconds.
She does, keep it in between your legs, babe. How much did you get? Oh, it fell out.
You had one between your legs, Peyton, as well.
Oh, good.
All right, count them up.
Did I get $3, Dad?
Oh.
Oh.
Then I get
All right, George. Go, Jordan!
It's actually very hard.
Just keep your finger into your hand.
You better grab some money.
The one-handed is not gonna work. You got it, Jordan.
You're doing amazing. 5 seconds.
Come on, Jordan.
Take your time.
Good job.
You're still counting your money.
I got $15. I got $5.
You got a hoodie? Okay, so if you got $15, you got a hoodie. And she got exactly 15. Hey, Taylor, you gotta beat Peyton. Go, Taylor!
She's serious.
Come on, Taylor.
Use your mouth.
Yeah, that's super sanitary.
You better hurry.
I got 11. I think I won.
Who's her mother and why does her face look like that?